You're so short standing next to these cards. Okay. All right, folks. So we apologize for that hiccup before the break, live TV. So it happens. So while we sort that out with our friends from Heineken, we're going to check out our options on the vegan cafe cart. The brain behind that idea, Nicola Hall, joins us online. Her cart is here, but she is not. Hi, Nicola.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
Excellent. It's
you?
good to see you. So we borrowed your cart for a little bit, but we're going to give it back.
I hope.
Tell me a little bit about, first of all, tell me a little bit about your lifestyle. Are you vegan?
I am a vegan.
Okay.
I've been vegan for about 3 years. And yeah, and I just decided that, listen, it is not what people think it is. It started out a little bit challenging because you kind of have to figure out what type of food to make. But over time, I kind of got creative and just learned from different cultures and just paired things together. And then voila.
So what prompted the change for you? What made you go vegan 3 years ago?
There was actually a friend of mine that got really sick, and he got some really good information on just changing his diet. And I saw the drastic change in his health. Like he was literally close to, like, you could say, dying. So then that prompts me to say, listen, this is something that I probably need to look into because I had a horrible time sleeping and, all the other things that comes along with, illnesses. So yeah, that's what prompted, and I haven't looked back since.
Yeah, and so what impact has the change had on your life? Obviously now you're trying to spread the word to other people, which means it must have made a big difference in your own life.
Yeah, it absolutely did. Like I said, with having that experience with my friend, I saw so much changing from my skin to some simple things like morning breath to not having matter in my eyes. Like, it's no joke. So when I started to see those changes, even with me just sleeping better, I used to have a very hard time falling asleep, and I don't really have that issue anymore. So yeah, and you feel good. I feel great when I eat. I just feel good. I don't feel stuffy and
Bloated
yeah,
and yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
I
exactly.
know what you're saying. So tell me about the idea for the cart now, because you were actually doing this for Design's home show, and then
Yes.
yeah. So talk to me about that and how this became a thing.
Well, you know what? I'm putting together this home show because I'm an interior designer. So I came up with this idea. Why don't I just put on a show where I can show different areas in someone's home, how they can redesign it, knowing that homes have changed over the past, let's say, 5 to 6 years. And I wanted a bar area, and I came up with this idea. I went to my dad. I'm like, could we just make this? And then my brother came on board. And then as soon as it started to get done, I started to have some ideas. Then I went to my bed, did
And had a
some
good night's
research,
sleep.
and I said to my brother, I have an idea. And then, yeah, it just transitioned into this because actually I wanted to find a place to actually do a cafe. And I was having a hard time finding that open space to just do it. So I was like, this would be a really cool idea because it's mobile.
Right.
So, yeah,
Right. So you're just gonna like hitch this baby to a
that's right.
car or a
I'll
truck
probably
and
be
just
able to get to more people.
yeah. So how are you gonna do that? I mean, how will you be rolling this out? Where will we see you for folks who are interested in sampling what you have at the cafe cart? And this is all prepared by you, Nicola?
Yes, yes, it is. All prepared by me. So
Impressive.
years of trying things and failing and using my family as testers has paid off. But I'm trying to figure out where I really want to position. Like right now, I'm in my scheme because there's another part to the cart. It's, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, man. What's the other part of the cart?
Yes, yeah, there's another part to the card. So there is going to be like a sorry.
I'm hearing you, Nicola. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. So there would be another part with a sink, a little stove top, and a cooler, like this all connected. So yeah, there's another part to it. So once I figure out where I really want to be located, then I'll have that information because it also has its own Instagram page.
Gotcha.
So yeah, so that information will be out. So yeah, I have a few offers so far. So I'll be weighing them and going through and see which one is best, and then everyone will know for sure.
Look at you. At Vegan Cart is where you find this vegan cafe cart on Instagram. What am I looking at here, Nicola? You can see me? It look like a wrap of some sort, a bean wrap, is it?
Yes, so that is a barbecue chickpea wrap with a little bit of glazed apple with walnuts. And then we have, showing it right there.
And then you have your fruits, you have your
I have my
nuts.
fruits. Yes, because I do smoothies as well.
Okay.
So you get to choose which one you want. And I drop a menu every other day.
Oh, what?
So you could view the menu and make your choice. And then I have the strawberry, blueberry, lemonade. Oh, that's almonds.
Yes, I can tell.
Yes.
And this is?
Pecans.
Right. And what kind of juice is this, Nicola?
So that is strawberry, blueberry, limeade.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Yes.
Is there sugar in it?
No, it's
Okay.
not. It's not sweet at all. It has a little bit of taste of everything. So it's actually natural strawberry. I blended juice. Same thing with the blueberry. Pair them together, sweeten to taste, and it's just delicious with a little bit of lime.
Okay, my love. So
Yeah.
you've gone through and you've perfected your recipes, your
Yes.
juices, you have your nuts, you have your fruits, very balanced diet. And
Yeah.
when you're ready to hit the road, you're saying all we have to do is head to Instagram, follow
Yeah.
you at Vegan Cart, and we
The
will know
Vegan
where you
Cart
are.
Cafe, yes.
Vegan Cart Cafe.
Cafe, yes.
Right, and then come and eat from your wonderful table. I don't know,
yeah.
with all of this, like, where do you find time to interior design? I don't know.
I don't sleep
Oh.
as of late.
So wait, you spent all of this time working on changing your diet to get a good night's sleep, and now you don't sleep. All right.
I don't sleep. I know it's a part of it, but the thing is, it's intertwined.
Yes.
Because people get to see the creativity of how the cart is designed.
Absolutely.
A little bid of my lifestyle, as well as I have help also with the design aspect of it.
Okay.
So I just like when the days kind of, winding down, I just kind of sit and stay up for another 3 to 4 hours. I mean, if you're an entrepreneur, you'll understand that. It's a
Yeah,
part
man.
of it.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I get it. I get it. I get it. Well, all the
Yeah.
best to you with this venture. It's very creative. I wish you all the best with it. Creator of the Vegan Cafe Cart, Nicola Hall, with us this morning. Check her out at Vegan Cart, at Vegan Cafe Cart. Cart Cafe or Cafe Cart?
Vegan Cafe Cart.
Okay, there you go. And you see where she will be. We have more on Smile on the other side of this break. Thanks, Nicola. Have
Thank
a
you
great
so
day.
much.
We'll be right back,
Bye.
everybody. Bye-bye.